Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are facing one of the issue with the TypeScript, and what exactly it is, the issue I will let you know. So go to our folder. Here you can see that unable to resolve the signature property decorator when called an expression. Argument of the type undefined is not assignable to the parameter type object. So if you are facing such kind of issue, then I will tell you how to solve that issue. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see. So basically it says that the unable to resolve the signature of a property decorator. That means you have to enable the decorator part into your tsconfig JSON. So Control Z, enable it, and here you can see the error resolved. Okay, so make sure in the tsconfig experimental decorators to be true, because here I am using the decorators. Okay, so make sure you have to add the decorators, enable the configuration in the tsconfig.json file, then it will automatically work. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.